Hello everyone, welcome to the third session of subnetting. We have to do addressing for class B address when it goes out of classful boundary. It is a special case for the class B address. From previous sessions, we know that the classful boundary of class B is from /16 to /24, and for class B is from /25 to /30. We have taken one example. After writing CIDR in 32-bit format, we see that it is going from class B to class C. We have to work on both the octets, that is third and the fourth octet. While working in the fourth octet, we found out range of subnet. Next, while working on third octet, we have fixed the fourth octet and changed only the third octet. We also see third octet is full, so IP address will go from 1 to 255. We have taken one subnet example and found out first host and the last host. We took one more example and found out subnets from CIDR, block size, and valid subnet and valid broadcast. While working on fourth octet, we found out subnet range. While working on third octet, we found out subnet range. Taking different subnet, we calculated the first host and the last